AI can accelerate your career, but only if you use it right. Most professionals are not using it right. They try big, complex use cases, they fail, and then they think AI does the work for them. But the people whose career gets a boost by AI, what they do? They start with something very different. They start with simple daily habits, 5 specific habits, and those habits compound into a career advantage. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what those 5 habits are. Not complex, not fancy, but if you integrate them into your actual work, your career accelerates. So start your 2026 with these 5 habits. Hello, I'm Rajul Kumar. I bring 30 years of senior management experience after my MBA from Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. Over the years, I have worked as a business consultant. I have advised leading Indian and global companies on strategy and finance. I have also built and led large teams, especially in the area of analytics, automation, and AI for leading MNCs. Through my channel Grow with RK, I share what I have learned. My goal is simple: to help professionals like you grow with clarity and confidence. So let's get back to the video. Last month, I had coffee with a CXO friend of mine. He told me, Rajul, I tried ChatGPT for financial forecasting. 3 hours, mediocre results, I gave up. Then I asked, why forecasting? He said, I thought AI was for complicated problems. That's the mistake almost every professional makes. You think AI is for big, complex tasks, so you start your AI journey with something difficult. You fail and you quit. But here is what I realize. It's not that AI doesn't work, it's that your approach is wrong. The 1% who succeed, they start small. They get friendly with AI first. They build daily habits. That's what I am showing you today. 5 simple habits that work. Not complex, not fancy. But if you do these consistently, your career get a boost. And what could be the best time to do this? 2026 has just started and the best time is today. Let's start with something you do every day, writing emails, right? You probably write 10 to 20 emails daily. Some get their message across, some get misunderstood, some need follow up for clarification. Here is what to do. For every important email, spend 30 seconds, read what you wrote, and ask AI, make this clearer, remove jargon, make it professional and friendly. That's it. The first time you will notice AI version is clearer than yours. Not because you are a bad writer, but because you are writing from your angle, AI writes from reader's angle. Do this for 20 days. By day 21, you start writing clearer naturally. Your brain learns the pattern. Result: better communication and fewer misunderstanding. One executive told me within 1 month, people responded faster to my emails because they actually understood them. This moves you from I hope they understand to I know they will understand. Habit number 2: plan your week every Sunday. Every Sunday at 6 p.m., spend 15 minutes planning. Most professionals let the week control them. Monday comes, emails explode, meetings pile up. By Friday, they are exhausted and can't even remember what they have accomplished. So, here is the solution. Every Sunday evening, tell AI, these are my projects coming week, these are my deadlines, these are my priorities. Structure my week so I am intentional, not reactive. Give it 4 to 5 lines. AI will break down projects into daily chunks, tell you which days are heaviest, suggest when to do deep work versus meetings, flag when you are overcomplicating. And after 2 or 3 weeks, you won't need AI anymore. Your brain will naturally structure weeks this way. One manager said, I accomplished more in 4 weeks than in the previous 2 months, and I was less stressed. Why? Because he wasn't jumping between tasks every 10 minutes. He had a structure, he had a plan. This moves you from my calendar controls me to I control my calendar. Habit number 3: Before important meetings, spend 5 minutes preparing. You walk into a meeting, someone asks a question, you ramble, you don't answer clearly. People look confused, follow up questions waste time. Or worse, you realize halfway through that you should have prepared. Here is the solution. 5 minutes before the meeting, write 3 things for AI. What is this meeting all about? What do I need to say? What questions might come up? Ask AI, give me 3 bullets. What are my key points? Read it once, done. What happens? You walk in clear and confident. People think this person is prepared, and most importantly, your meetings end faster because you know exactly what you are saying. For example, quarterly review with your boss. You want to discuss Q4 result, team growth, and Q1 budget. You spend 2 minutes writing quarterly review, need to show Q4 up 15%. You paste this into AI. AI gives you 3 key bullets, exactly what to say and what answers to have ready. You read it, 2 minutes, then you walk in as the clearest, most prepared person there. This moves you from I hope I say the right thing to I know exactly what to say. Habit number 4, daily learning in 10 minutes. How many articles, reports, newsletter do you get daily? 50, 100, 200? Take your call. And how many do you actually read? 5, 10? The rest pile up. You feel guilty. You feel behind. Here is the solution. Every morning, block 10 minutes. Look at 3 articles that matter. Send to AI and ask, what are the 3 key takeaways? What should I remember? That's it. 3 takeaways per article. What happens? You actually stay informed on things relevant to your field, your company, your industry in 10 minutes. A vice president I know did this for 6 months. He told me in meetings, I see things others miss. And as a bonus, after 3 weeks, you naturally read more deeply about interesting topics. That habit builds momentum. This moves you from I have no time to stay updated to I am more informed than almost everyone. Habit number 5, learn from meetings with recap. After important meetings, spend 5 minutes recapping. Think about important meetings last month. How clearly do you remember them? 30%, 50%? Then 6 months later, you make the same mistake in a similar situation. Why? You never captured what you learned. Here is the solution. After important meetings, spend 5 minutes, write down who was there, what was decided, what did I do well, what would I do differently, my action items. Then paste into AI, clean this up, what are the actual lessons, what should I remember next time in a similar situation. What happens? First time seems obvious, but after 3 months, read all your recaps, you will see patterns like, oh, I handle financial stakeholders differently than product stakeholders. Or, oh, I say yes too fast. Or, oh, I am actually good at managing conflict. You are creating a personal feedback loop, learning from your own experience instead of just moving to the next thing. One executive I know did this for 1 year, then reviewed all recaps. She said, I finally understand how I actually operate. I'm making better decisions because I know myself. This moves you from I keep repeating mistakes to I am learning and improving every week. Let me recap 5 habits. Email clarity, 30 seconds per important email. Weekly planning, 15 minutes per week. Meeting preparations, 5 minutes before important meetings. Daily learning, 10 minutes per day. Meeting recaps, 5 minutes per important meeting. Total 20 to 30 minutes daily. You are thinking, Rajul, I don't have 30 minutes. But you are already doing all this. Emails get written, you read things, meetings happen, you learn or try to learn and then forget. I'm asking you to add one thin layer of AI to what you are already doing. That's it. And what's the payoff? In 30 days, your communication is clearer. People understand you better. In 60 days, your weeks are structured, work-life balance improves, and in 90 days, your thinking is sharper, decisions are better, and in 6 months, you are the prepared person in the room, the clear thinker, the decisive one, the future leader. This version of you commands more respect, gets better opportunities, your career accelerates. The difference between the 99% and 1% is in intelligence. It's not better tools, it is this. The 1% started small. The 99% tried to solve complicated problems in the beginning itself. You don't need a better AI, you need a better starting point. So, which one do you want to be? A person who tried something hard, failed, and quit? Or the person who started with simple habits and built momentum? The answer is in your hands right now. So, here is what to do. First, pick one habit, just one, not all five. Whichever resonates most with you, email clarity, planning, meeting preparations, learning, or recap, and commit yourself for 21 days. That's how long it takes for behavior to feel natural. With this, we come to end of this video. If you found this video useful, please like and consider subscribing to my channel. This gives great motivation to me and my team. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. This is Rajul Kumar signing off.